Hi, I'm Joy Daniels. Are you thinking about selling your Central Pennsylvania home in the next year? If your answer is yes, join me with our industry experts for a virtual home selling workshop on March 5th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. and it's called Home Selling Simplified in 2026, and we will answer all of your home selling questions. We'll talk about how to prepare your home in today's market, and we'll have a mortgage lender, home inspector, and a home stager and organizer join us. If you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions that we'll discuss. Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? Is now a good time to sell? Are home prices dropping? Are buyers motivated right now? Avoid the 3 most expensive mistakes sellers make. Will home improvements increase value? Real estate changes within the real estate market about commission. Should I pre-inspect my home? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out. Call 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.